In this video, I want us to look at how we can log in and log out and keep using WhatsApp Web safely. On my left, I have my Android phone, and on this right, I have my browser open. So we are going to go into the search bar on Google and type web.whatsapp.com. So as it's loading, we are going to go to our phones and open WhatsApp. So right there. So you have to wait for WhatsApp web on the browser to load fully and generate a QR code. So on my phone, hope you can see the full screen. We are going to go to the three dotted lines for options. So we are going to click on those three dotted lines to get the option that come by. So on the options, as this WhatsApp browser is loading, we are going to choose the option of linked device here, right here. So we tap on linked devices. Yeah, so when you tap on linked devices, it's going to bring you an option of a linked device right here. So on this latest update for WhatsApp, you can log into WhatsApp for up to 4 devices. This is exciting but so dangerous at the same time. People can scan your phone to their devices when you don't know. So we are going to tap on linked device as an option for linking in. So it's going to prompt us for password to verify that it's you, the person using the phone. So you're going to provide the password and then scan the code right here. So I've scanned the code. So that means my WhatsApp will be both on my phone and my computer at the same time. So this is WhatsApp on my browser and it's the same WhatsApp on my phone. So that means the messages you send and receive are very synchronous at the same time. So let's be vigilant and always check who is using whose device. So in case we want to log out of WhatsApp web, we are going to go back to these three dotted lines. That's the option for the phone when you want to log out using the phone. So you tap on the three dotted lines. You do the same procedure like we did when we are logging in. You go to linked devices, and that they will show you the devices that you're linked in. So here they are showing me that I'm logged in with Google Chrome on Windows. So in case you do not recognize a device here that's logged in here, you tap on it and options will come for logout, if at all you want to log out. In the same way, you can log out WhatsApp web on your browser using this menu button, the three dotted lines. You click on them and then they'll give you options of logout. So when you log out, for example, if your computer is not yours or it's a public computer and you don't want to use it again, you can log out immediately. So here when you click logout, you'll be logged out immediately. But I want us to use this logout of option of the phone. Remember I said when you don't recognize the phone, you log out. So I'm going to click here logout on my phone, and we see what happens on my browser. So I'm going to click logout. So as immediate as how when I click logout, I'll be logged out on my browser. See, now it's logging out. So that's why I'm saying if you do not recognize any device, you can go to your phone and log them out. Remember to always check your WhatsApp, check the devices that you're logged in. You never know, someone could have scanned your phone when you don't know. Just keep checking WhatsApp, check on the devices that are logged in, If you don't recognize it, log out as immediately as possible. Let's keep safe online. Let's practice a good cybersecurity hygiene so we can always keep ourselves safe and our families. Thank you and have a good day.